it with us from the big wall to tell us the top movers and shakers of the day. Vivek?
Well, thank you so much for that. Well, a very exciting session, especially in the second half of the trading session. We saw some very sharp moves come about. Like you mentioned at the start of the show, the results of Nestle was something that actually pushed up the entire consumption pack. So let's start with that. Nestle ended the day higher by almost 4.5% higher. But along with that, Varun Beverages, Tata Consumer, even and HUL for that matter, moved up over 1.5%. The other stock on the radar, the big newsmaker was RBL Bank. Throughout the trading session was under a bit of pressure. The last hour did see some buying, ended up over 2%. The entire Realty pack for the second straight session, one of the top gainers. So you look at names like Oberoi, very strong Q2, very strong H2 is what the company is guided for, ended higher by over 5%. And along with that, a whole host of Realty names ended in the green. And Tips Music, this particular name, the management actually joined us earlier today, higher by 6% on good volumes. Now this up move came despite a guidance cut from the management, especially as far as FY26 was concerned. On the other hand, a few laggards as well. KEI Industries, a key facility, the commissioning is going to get delayed over there. The street didn't like that, over 5.5% lower. Eternal, despite the one-time, or you could call it an inventory change, in which the company actually went ahead and accounted for its top-line growth. Now, despite that, there was significant volatility. The stock ended lower by over 4% on very cautious commentary in the shareholder letter. The other stock on the radar, the other set of stocks was, of course, the insurance name, HDFC Life. Very weak or muted margin outlook for H2. That stock ended lower by 2.5%. Max Financial, SBI Life 2 ended the day with cuts.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Vivek. Important stocks to keep an eye out on, and now where they're going to be headed in tomorrow's trading session as well. But